Please remember to click on the subscribe link and also turn on the notifications so that you can get all the informative videos right on time. Hi, welcome to Get Set Ma. I'm Priya Kathpal, a nutritionist, and today we are going to talk about should you be worried if your child is not consuming milk? What all nutrients does the milk contain? Are they replaceable in terms of other options that the food gives us? And what is lactose intolerance and what happens when milk is consumed during lactose intolerance? To begin with, milk is not the most imperative food product, and it's okay if your child is not consuming milk at all. Yes, it is not mandatory to get certain nutrients only from milk, unlike the traditional wisdom or the ancient way of living, wherein most of our grandparents or our children's grandparents insist upon that milk should be consumed. With the evolving information on nutrition, it is very clear that milk can be replaced and the nutrients that milk contains can be sourced from different resources, different food products that we have. Milk contains a good amount of vitamin A. It contains protein, calcium. These are certain nutrients that the milk is a good source of. So ideally, of course, if you are able to achieve these nutrients from other products, other food products, then milk can be replaced very, very easily. Like for vitamin A, there are red, orange, yellow colored vegetables and fruits like your carrots, pumpkin, capsicums. And for proteins, you have various other things, especially if you are consuming non-vegetarian foods and if you're giving it to your child, from eggs to good quality fish and chicken. These are good sources. And if you are a vegetarian, then pulses, soybean, tofu, cottage cheese. Now, when I mention cottage cheese, yes, it's a milk product. So what happens when certain children don't consume milk but are okay with milk products? Well, lucky for you, because then you have one more source of protein and vitamin A in the child's diet. Some children refuse milk totally, but they are absolutely okay with milk products like your curds and cottage cheese, which is a good thing. You can consume them and give it to your child as well. Coming to calcium, a mix of nuts and seeds like your walnuts, almonds, sesame seeds, till seeds. These are really good sources of calcium that can be consumed on a daily basis to achieve the calcium requirements of children. And of course, you can include millets like ragi, which are also very high in calcium and can help you get the calcium, into your body, and you really don't need milk for it. Coming to lactose intolerance, it's a medical condition where a child or an adult could be allergic to the sugar present in the milk, that is the lactose. So in some conditions, the symptoms could be severe, and in some conditions, it may not be. Depending upon that, whether to consume milk or not, and the milk products as well, would be decided with the help of a team, say a nutritionist and a doctor, and coming to a conclusion whether the child should be consuming milk or not. In a lot of cases, children are able to digest the paneer and the curds, the cottage cheese and the curds, but they definitely don't digest the milk very well, because the curds is actually a pre-digested form of milk product wherein it contains good bacteria. So again, it could vary from child to child, person to person, but it is one of those conditions wherein milk does become an issue, and you definitely need to replace with other products, as we discussed earlier, to get the nutrients that you're getting from the milk. Hope this video was able to clear your doubts about milk consumption with respect to children. Please keep watching Get Set Ma. Comment, like and share this video. Thank you.